Hey, what's up guys, this is Abidi from 𝐒𝐡𝐚𝐫𝐞 back with another video. And in this video we will talk about 5 must-have Safari extensions for your iPhone in iOS 15, which will be very useful for you on daily basis. So let's start with the first Safari extension, which is PPFire. PPFire lets you enable picture-in-picture mode for every video on Safari browser. After downloading this extension, go to the Safari extension in settings and enable this extension. After that, go to the Safari browser. As you can see here that there is this video. So now all you got to do is just tap on this ace over here, then tap on PPFire right here, and you can see it sends the video to the picture-in-picture mode just like that. And this works for YouTube videos too. It's very useful to play video in picture-in-picture mode. Now next we have is the keyword search. It's like text replacement feature in iOS. So just enable this extension. Now tap on this ace, tap on keyword search. As you can see here that there are names with website or URL. Here I have created my own name Abidi. Let's tap on it. Here we have a name which is optional. Now in keywords type any name or letters you want. Now paste the link of a website that you want. Here I have pasted my YouTube channel link. Now tap on done. So now whenever I type Abidi and tap on go, it will go to my YouTube channel directly. How amazing is that? You can create your own keyword and use it for daily basis. Next we have is focus with a K. Focus basically highlight the text you want by covering the rest of a web page with a semi-transparent black overlay. So here on this, if I want to focus on this paragraph, so just press and hold and it just dim the rest of the page. And that makes it easier for you to focus on the things that you want to read. Also, don't forget to enable this extension from the Safari or from the setting app before using it. So now we have a Pretty Web extension. Pretty Web allows you to add front page on Safari. You set dark mode preference in here. They also have ad blocker and you can customize your new tab over here. Tap on background and you can select color for background, or you can set one wallpaper from your Photos app. Also, you can enable or disable search bar, and in search engine you can choose whichever you like. So now when you open new tab on Safari, it will look like this. Isn't it pretty? That's why it's called Pretty Web extensions. Now last extension we have is Super Agent. So whenever you visit a website that requires cookies, you will see these pop-ups asking you to allow or deny. So Super Agent can configure how you want to handle those, and they will be done automatically. You don't have to deal with pop-ups. When you tap on Super Agent extension and then to settings icon over here, you will get here all the website visited details. And if you go here in cookie preferences, you will have these advertising cookies, functional cookies, performance cookies. You can choose here to reject or accept them. Then anytime you visit the website, that will be dealt with automatically without you having to press a button. So that's all for this video. These are the 5 best Safari extensions that I use, and I think it will be very useful for you too. So go ahead and check it out. Links of all the extensions will be pinned in the comment. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. So go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.